Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy, alwoo-witdashoe. Now, it's a state of emergency. I'm not gonna lie, it is a very, very dire crisis. Now, all the content creators, they know and they feel my pain. One thing I will say is, if you truly want to be on this content creation journey, I keep saying it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. So remember, that means a lot of enduring times and a lot of sacrifices. But one thing you shouldn't do is continue this journey if you're not really that ambitious and passionate about this long marathon. It's alwoo-witdashoe. I've been giving y'all this curator and creator sauce, but I think one thing here is YouTube is dying. That's right, you gotta play those bells. It's over. It's over, man. I'm sorry. alwoo-witdashoe is gonna have to retire, man. I definitely didn't expect this, but it's over, man. We're done. Psych. The one thing here is, if you're not passionate about making content, it's over for you. So hop in, jump aboard. alwoo-witdashoe gonna have something for you that can help you get over this new changing and everlasting evolving of YouTube. Now, YouTube as a whole is a process. I ain't gonna lie, I hurt myself trying to beat it. But if you want to be honest with yourself, YouTube always has been about the big fish, the big sharks. If you're a guppy, you will get ate up. So here's the thing, selling products and selling courses is the main gold mine. It's like the gold rush theory. People that found the way know the way. And when you try to get into it, it's probably too late if you're not one of the incorporators or one of the founding members. One of the few people that learned how to break through the actual algorithm. So, what do you do if you're one of the few that come in late? Well, if you come in late, it's not too much of a bad problem. All you gotta do is make sure you have a niche. That means you have to specialize in something, man. That means you have to be the one that everyone comes to your channel to get a solution. Somebody figure out a problem, then express it. Spread the word, make your channel more unique than anyone else's. You can give your own personal experience, your own personal knowledge on a subject that will make you the one people want to come for when they want to wash away all their problems. Just like this laundromat built in, you feel me? So make sure you cleanse away all doubts and help people with any problems they have. Be the solutionist. Be the one that people run to when they want to know something. Make sure your platform or your channel is always informative and entertaining. Starting off late is never a bad thing because there's always some room for everybody on YouTube. It's over 2 billion users every month. That means somebody out there exactly is looking for the content you can create. That means be passionate. Pick something that you will be able to do for a long time. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. That means you'll be doing this for many months without any reward. Don't look for monetization. If you think YouTube is gonna pay your bills, you're wrong. You'll be paying a hard fee. That means you might give up quicker than you expected. So when you get on YouTube, yeah, it may be oversaturated, but that's because you're not on there. And you've been watching a lot of YouTube videos your own. And that means that you think you can do it, so do it. Don't let anything hold you back. Not even if you have something going on, any ailments, still create. The content is out here. All you have to do is use inspiration, use a little acknowledgement of the knowledge that you have, and walk through the door. Like I said, if you really wanted to be a content creator, what's stopping you? Is it the lack of passion or the lack of drive? Be the one that will do it constantly, even when you feel like you have no monetary gains. If you're doing it for monetization, you're doing it for the wrong reasons. So remember, in order to overcome the obstacles that's going to be going on this long-term content creation journey, YouTube isn't dying, but the ambitions of being a YouTuber is dying. Because if you're not doing it for the pure passion, you're not going to do it at all. Think about it. Every big YouTuber started off without the YouTube partner program. That means all the biggest, Mr. Beast, Anybody that you can think of started off doing it for fun or doing it because they had the option to do it. Now, with that being said, having the option to do it means you have to have an actual business behind you. Now, if you have a business, service, or a product, that makes it even better. YouTube give you a platform, a following, and someone that will believe you as a reputable, trusted brand. So, as far as me, I have a shoe cleaning service. I can branch off by marketing demand, supply and demand, the content, and the service that I provide makes me somebody that will sustain the changes. YouTube is an ever for always evolving platform. You won't be able to keep up with the trends. It's too many. Just do what you do, lock in, and be passionate. If you're not, you're gonna fall off. Remember, the founding members of a wave will always reciprocate the best. If you aren't on it in the beginning, by the time you catch on, it's not going to be profitable. So if you're looking for a monetization, got to do it as a passion project. All the best YouTubers started off doing it for fun. They did it with no monetary gains. That's right. The YouTube partnership program was not available in the early 2008s to 2010. It wasn't until then it was an actual thing in 2015. Well, think about it. In the first couple years of YouTube, everybody had their mind on just putting out their content, things that they were passionate about. They didn't have anything else in mind. But you have to have a backup plan, and you have to have a brand or business. Remember, I said in my own videos, you have to have the CEO mindset or the entertainer mindset. Because if it's about entertainment, you'll do pranks, reactions. You won't care about anything in return. But if you're looking for a return of investment, then you have to run it like a business. You have to have the CEO mindset. That's why alwoo-witdashoe merch is going on Shopify and every other platform. And it will be a link in the description. So remember, this is a business. I am not running it as such. I believe in y'all as family members. So what up though? We on that 1,000 member mark, man. We going over it, and we're gonna be on 10,000. Ain't no stopping alwoo-witdashoe. Alwoo says, and anything related to my brand. So remember, you have to have a long game, and you have to have a backup plan. And all the rich, all the successful, all the best YouTubers always have more than one revenue source. They're not relying on a YouTube partnership program because they was able to pivot. Until you grow, you won't know. So it's alwoo-witdashoe. Tell me, is YouTube dead, or is your ambitions to be a YouTuber dead? Holla. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, alwoo-witdashoe.